Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And I have all of these nature fussy cuts and journaling cards and stuff. And I thought today I might want to use some of these Dollar Tree cards to make to use as my backgrounds for some of these nature things. This was called A Walk in the Woods or something like that. It was a book, that I got on Amazon. I will link it below if I can find it, but I thought this might be cute to do. Like, just put a couple of things. Like this squirrel, though, I don't like his whiskers, so I don't know how to cut whiskers out, so I'm going to cut that off, I think. And I'll probably maybe cut the feet off. But I'm trying to find some good backgrounds. And I thought maybe there might be some more, like, oh, that's a pretty one. Some nature-y type ones. Like, maybe I could put, I don't think these are small enough, though, but like, put a little bunny on that or something. But there are some small squirrels. Like, it's nothing saying I can't cut these apart and do something like that. Let's see. This seems kind of tropical for these guys, though. These are like North American woodland animals. But I don't know. So I think what I'll do is, oh, there's a fern. Pick out what I want to use as my backgrounds, and then we'll come back. Alright, so I have come up with 5 different little layouts here. These are things I'm not going to be using, and I just thought I'd show them to you. I feel like this one maybe doesn't have enough on it, but I don't know what else I could put on it. But anyway, then nothing is glued down yet. So I'm also wondering if I want a smaller flower here. I think I do, because I want to see the waterfall too. So I've got these 2 squirrels here with some flower buds and a mushroom. This is a bunny with a flower bud and a flower. This is just a bunny and a flower, and I thought the flower kind of looked like it was on the stem there. And we'll put the bunny like that. And then we've got 2 little squirrels sitting on the rocks here next to Buddha. And this one's holding a flower along with his little nut or whatever it is, acorn. So that's that. I have this little flower here that I was trying to find a spot for, but maybe I'll just do that. Put it on that bunny right there. And I've got this little mushroom that I'm going to end up cutting off, so I might as well do that now. And I wonder if I could put it somewhere. Like, it's almost too much the same color as the bunnies, though. I guess I could put that there. Or maybe I should just kind of like put it there. I don't know. Like in front of his tail. Yeah, that looks okay. Let's do that, shall we? And get these glued down. And then I'll come back and show you how it looks. Alright, so here is, I'll show you one by one the finished creations. In this one, I ended up putting a flower and a little ladybug and mushroom in front of the bunny and the flower behind his ears. Well, that's what that one looks like. In this one, I ended up putting a flower coming off from the side and a little ladybug by the Buddha, and then this squirrel is holding the flowers. And for this one, I just put this flower up here and some buds, flower buds on the bottom, the mushroom, and another ladybug. And for this one, I put another little ladybug down here, a flower up in front here, and 2 extra little mushrooms, as well as this big one behind him. His tail is in front of him, but behind his tail. And then some flower buds behind this little guy. And for this one, this is all I did so far. I don't know if I'll add anything to it. I kind of like it the way it is, but it does seem a little empty. So maybe I'll figure out something else to do with that one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing these little cards. And remember that these are the collage cards from Dollar Tree that I've used for this. And they're very slick and shiny. So I'm hoping that my glue holds up on these. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. And it's a very hot day up here for the end of September. It's actually September 21st. I don't know if that's the first day of spring or if spring. I wish it was the first day of spring. It's either yesterday or today was the first day of autumn, and it's like 80 degrees out there. So anyway, we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.